Thank you for following this tutorial on how to add an application to your SSO engine. Enterprise SSO is composed of several different modules. Here, we will be looking at the SSO Studio and the Administrator Console to configure a web page for detection and make it available to all of your users. Adding an application to your SSO engine requires 3 steps. Adding a technical definition to the SSO Studio, choosing the template for web detection, and adding your technical definition to your directory on the Administrator Console. So in this tutorial, for an example, I'll be using LinkedIn. In order to start, you first have to open your SSO Studio. The SSO Studio allows you to detect new pages to add to your SSO engine. So right-click on Technical Definitions and select New Technical Definition and name it. I'll name it Technical Definition LinkedIn. Click OK and then right-click again and go to New Window. It will allow you to detect a new web page. For more information on choosing the window type, I recommend you download the administrator guide through either the partner portal or the Evidian support website. Go to detection and drag and drop the target icon on the web page until the URL on the SSO Studio matches the one on the web page. Once that's done, we'll set which actions the SSO will perform on this web page. So we'll drag and drop the identifier to the correct space we want the SSO to perform. And we'll do the same thing for the password. Then we will choose what the SSO does once it has entered the credentials. Once that's done, we'll save our new technical definition. And then we'll go to the controller. Adding an application to the EAM console allows you to link it to a security profile and manage who has access to the application. So right-click on Application to create a new one. So once that's done, go to Configuration and choose which kind of SSO propagation you want to do. We'll click on SSO. Then select your new technical definition. So click on Select and click on the new application you've created. Then Apply. Now we can check if the application has correctly been added. I have multiple users in my directory. I will be using a fake account created for this demo named Tom Cage. So now if I switch account, we'll open Internet Explorer. Now that I'm on LinkedIn, a new window appears asking me for my credentials. Simply add the credentials you use for this particular web application. Your application is registered in the SSO engine. So now we can log off LinkedIn. And if we log back on using Internet Explorer, the SSO engine automatically enters your credentials. Once you've configured an application on Internet Explorer, it also works for Firefox and Google Chrome. Indeed, if I try to connect on LinkedIn by using Firefox, the SSO automatically enters my credentials. And same thing for Google Chrome.